Today, I'm putting 5 DIY sink unclogging hacks to the test to see which ones actually work. We're diving into some DIY sink unclogging hacks that actually work, saving you time and money. Many people struggle with sink clogs, often resorting to expensive plumbers or harsh chemicals that can damage your pipes. These problems seem to come out of nowhere, leaving you frustrated and confused about what to do next. You might be thinking, why is this happening to me? Or what did I do wrong? But the truth is, sink clogs are more common than you think. Whether it's greasy food residue, hair, or other debris, clogs can happen to anyone, anywhere. If you're tired of dealing with slow-draining sinks and foul odors, it's time to take action. You don't need to be a plumbing expert to fix these issues. With the right techniques and tools, you can become your own sink-saving hero. We're going to explore some conventional methods that might surprise you with their effectiveness. Who knows, you might just find a new favorite hack to add to your arsenal of DIY skills. From the old faithful plunger to some more unconventional techniques, we're about to get our hands dirty and unclog that sink once and for all. We'll explore several effective hacks, including using baking soda and vinegar, a plunger, and even a wet-dry vacuum to tackle those stubborn clogs. First up is the baking soda and vinegar method, which is a classic DIY solution. This hack is great because it's environmentally friendly and won't damage your pipes. The combination of baking soda and vinegar creates a chemical reaction that breaks down the clog, allowing you to rinse it away effortlessly. Another hack involves using a trusty plunger, which is often overlooked as a simple yet effective solution. By creating suction on the clog, you can dislodge it with minimal effort. For those tougher clogs, we'll introduce a game-changing tool, the wet, dry vacuum. This hack is perfect for those stubborn clogs that refuse to budge. By creating a powerful suction, you can lift the clog right out of the sink drain. These hacks are tried and true, but we're not stopping there. We've got a few more up our sleeve that might just surprise you with their effectiveness. The most surprising hack involves using a simple dish soap and hot water method that works wonders on greasy clogs. This hack is a personal favorite because it's so easy to do and requires minimal effort. By mixing dish soap with hot water, you create a solution that breaks down the grease, allowing it to flow freely down the drain. It's a simple yet ingenious solution that's perfect for those pesky kitchen sink clogs. We've covered a range of helpful tips to handle sink clogs, proving that you don't always need a plumber to fix the problem. With these DIY hacks, you'll be well equipped to tackle any clog that comes your way. From the classic baking soda and vinegar to the surprising dish soap method, we've explored some effective solutions to get your sink flowing like new. If you found these hacks useful, be sure to check out our other DIY videos and let us know your favorite unclogging method in the comments.